you played father to so many beautiful women, Aishwarya Rai and Mohabbat, and now a beautiful lady like Pasha.
Right.
So is it any different, like, I mean, you never feel that I can be paired opposite them also?
Well, first of all, you wonder at your own genetic capacity to be producing so many wonderful women as daughters. But they're a joy and they're a delight, and they all give me a lot of respect. And I wish I could, be on a backslapping term with them. That's why I'm terribly jealous about John in this film. And but it's been great fun. Yeah, it's always great fun. Every maker takes, whenever he starts any film, whether it's the same genre or whether it's something else, the capacity of the film, the merits of the film will see it through. I hope that Edbar has great success, because you want success to be associated with whatever project that you're working in. And I hope this works for Tata Infomedia and for the entire cast and crew.
So do you think the dream you had seen with AV Corp, now with Tata's coming into the entertainment business, is like finally, it's achieving,
Yeah, as I just said in my speech, it's wonderful to see corporate India taking interest in films and in the entertainment business. The entertainment business is huge, and it's here to stay, and it's here to grow to a very large extent. And it's wonderful to see corporates like Tata's and others taking interest. And this has been a wonderful experience. This is just the ideal situation that we've all wanted to work in. Great amount of accountability, lots of discipline, a very well-planned initiative in the working of the film. No stoppages anywhere for any technical reasons. There have been is unavoidable, but just a marvel.
Your vocal cords again after Bagban. So how was the whole experience of singing again? I mean, after Bagban?
That's a nightmare. I'm not a singer, but somehow Rajesh Roshan ji and me have had a long association right from Natwar Lal and Yarana, and I think that perhaps the first little thing that I hummed for film was in Natwar Lal, and he wanted me to do something in this as well. The situation really called for more of speaking rather than singing, and I guess that's what's observed in the song. But I'm not a singer, and I hope that the music does well.
You said you're doing a lot of roles, obviously, pertaining to your age.
That's a fear that doesn't just worry you; it worries me as well. It limits my longevity, and no actor wants to leave the field distressed or because of the fact that he's no longer required. I hope that we can keep inventing fresh roles and fresh concepts for the more senior citizens of this country. And I hope that happens because people like me would benefit from it.
So what do you feel about this, John and Pasha's? I mean, are they the stars of tomorrow?
Most certainly. I think they're both extremely talented. I think John and Bipasha have done a wonderful job in this film. During the making of this film, there was never ever a moment when I felt that they were off tune or they went off course. I'm sure that there must have been many an occasion when I would have gone off course, and there were times when I was set right, but they were flawless. And I hope they prosper, and they will, because they are the future.
आपने बहुत सारे नए और पुराने निर्देशकों के साथ काम किया है, अभी रवि चोपड़ा, विक्रम भट्ट जो है, इनको आपने मतलब आपके सामने ही वो बड़े हुए हैं क्योंकि फिल्म इंडस्ट्री से ताल्लुक रखते हैं, तो किस तरह का निर्देशन उन्होंने इस फिल्म में दिया है, किस तरह का अनुभव था उनके साथ काम करने का?
विक्रम पहले असिस्टेंट डायरेक्टर थे मुकुल आनंद के साथ, जिनके साथ मैंने कई फिल्में बनाई, 3 फिल्में बनाई, और उस दौरान उनके साथ बातचीत करने, उनको देखने का मौका मिला। विक्रम अपनी उम्र से ज़्यादा बड़े हैं, जहाँ तक उनके सोचने का विचारधारा है, ख़ास तौर से फिल्मों के बारे में। बहुत ही इंटेलिजेंट, बहुत ही मंझे हुए, बहुत ही संभले हुए डायरेक्टर हैं वो, और प्रत्येक बात को अच्छी तरह से रिसर्च करना, इतनी कम उम्र में इतने कॉम्प्लेक्स ह्यूमन इमोशंस को समझना और फिर उन्हें अपने एक्टर्स को समझाना, ये एक बहुत खूबी मानी जाती है, और ये सारी खूबियाँ विक्रम में हैं।
सारी इंडस्ट्री से इंसान जो इंडस्ट्री से ताल्लुक़ रखता है आपके साथ काम करना चाहता है, लेकिन जब ये नए लोग आपके साथ काम करते हैं तो आप उनसे कुछ तरह की बातें, किस तरह की बातें आप उनसे सीखते हैं? जैसे कि इसमें जॉन, बिपाशा और विक्रम बिल्कुल नए हैं, तो
कैसे खूबसूरत लगना और खूबसूरत लगते रहना। काश कि मेरा शरीर भी जॉन जैसा होता है, मेरी खूबसूरती जो है वो बिपाशा जैसी होती है। लेकिन नई पीढ़ी और नई विचारधारा के लोगों के एक अपना एक रवैया होता है और बड़ा अच्छा लगता है कि नई धारा को समझने के लिए, नई धारा के साथ बहने के लिए मैं अपने आप को कई बार कह चुका हूँ, मैं भाग्यशाली समझता हूँ कि अभी भी कुछ लोग मेरे साथ काम करना चाह रहे हैं और मुझे अवसर मिलता है नई पीढ़ी के साथ काम करने का। तो इनके मन के बारे में, इनकी दिशा के बारे में देख करके अच्छा लगता है। कई हद तक हम भी थोड़े बहुत जवान हो जाते हैं उनके साथ रहकर।
मुझे आपने हॉलीवुड में